what? It's gonna be on the shade room. Yeah. Girl. I'm so scared, I don't know why. She's half naked in there.
But you got it. Ain't you ever seen a princess be a bad bitch?
You guys, the bathroom is scary. I had to pee so bad. As soon as I walked in the bathroom, my pee went nope. I don't even gotta pee anymore. So we're entering the bathroom, guys.
I feel like I'm in the Blair Witch Project.
No, this bathroom? I'm so scared, I don't know why.
Oh my god.
No, like, look at it. Like,
Oh
does
yeah,
it
it's
look like-
dark. Oh yeah, there's no light.
like,
It looks a lot lighter on the phone.
doesn't this look like the bathrooms from the scary movies?
Yeah. Look at the pedophiles in here. Let's go.
That's why I was like, no, you need to come with me. This is the cutest little studio I have ever seen in my life. Okay, guys, meet Janaya.
Hey guys, it's your girl Janaya, and we're back with another banger video.
This is like so cute. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. So this is the bathroom. I freaking love. Like, I want my bathroom like this. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking, yo, this is a vibe. It's a vibe. Look at the lips. Like, look. That's
Yeah, that was
a photographer. There's the skincare products. So how do you feel?
I feel amazing. She's so beautiful.
Thank you, you're pretty.
So I'm just really excited to like really get this going.
I know, me too. I can't wait for this to go live. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be on the shade room.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, I didn't tell you.
Wait, what?
It's gonna be on the shade room. Yeah. Girl, we about to.
You guys look at each other, and so use your point of view, because when the camera comes close, look at me.
Okay.
Well, look at the camera. And look at each other.
That's so cute. That's so cute.
Ready?
Right?
Yeah. Oh, wait. And I say I'm gonna go.
Don't get hands off your head.
Ready? Right. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah.
Throw it in the air like this.
Oh, you want to?
It's like stop.
Let me show you this real quick.
Okay. I have to
Are you taking pictures?
I'm just snapping.
I'm so excited for you. So how are you liking your shoot?
It's so fun. This is like, I just want to live in here.
Me too. I think we should move in. 75 an hour.
Oh my gosh.
That's a rent.
75 an hour, guys.
75 an hour.
Give me my dream.
So cute. Let me play some music.
Let's do that one more time.
Okay.
She's half naked in there.
Do you want a portrait? What am I doing? I'm so sorry.
So you're literally playing with that.
Okay.
And just kind of touching on your face or something like that.
Okay, gotcha.
But I have a. Do me a favor. Go in that bag and grab one of those little towels That way she can wipe herself. Can you zoom up in this thing? Oh yeah, you can.
Where do you want me to apply it, Kathy?
You can just apply it like on her cheek. Kind of like to let her tilt her head and then you apply it.
On her forehead?
No, like here.
Okay. I just lit it all up.
Action.
Sorry, I'm like, I thought it was so funny for her.
And action.
Hey guys, so finally home. So the video shoot went so well because I literally texted Kathy and I was like, look, my skin has never been this bad. Like, I need you to look at my face and tell me what's wrong with it. And she gave me all these products. I got this mimosa cleanser, this Prosecco serum, this Prosecco oil, virgin margarita, enzyme. Can't wait to use that. And I also got this blemish mask, and I will keep you guys updated on what they do to my face. So I'm gonna wash my face, I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna go to sleep, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So it's time for me to leave this Airbnb. Kathy and I are gonna part ways. She's cleaning, even though she had to pay cleaning fee. I know. Kathy is so cool. We literally just sat here and talked about like fake people and like people who be flexing and, you know, people who like stay on your couch and don't pay you back when they say they're gonna pay you back. Also, make sure you guys shop Skin Champagne. I will link the website down below, and I will for sure keep you guys updated on what it does to my face, which so far, like, the texture of my skin looks so good. I literally told her that this morning. I was like, yo, I don't know what is in that serum, but like my pores are like smaller. I truly appreciate the opportunity. Like, yeah. I'm so excited. Well, I will get back to you guys on my next rendezvous. I don't know, but version. Right? See you guys later. Oh my god! I love it here.